responded to the space. I was really drawn to it architecturally. I started thinking about the fact that this is a study of Eastern Europe and that a lot of people come here to study languages, and I really kind of was responding to that. I must have spoken to at least 450 people and collected over 53 different languages, which really blew my mind because I couldn't list 53 languages.
Hi, can I just ask you what language you're fluent in? Yes. Great.
Vinyl was really attractive to me because it was an easy way of creating almost a stained glass effect. But unlike stained glass, it's more translucent and is a really easy way to kind of transform a building very quickly.
We have more language expertise across the whole of Europe than any other university in the UK. So what better place than UCL to celebrate linguistic diversity?
Language is really important in this building, and it's also one of those things that you can't see. So the color is a way of not only identifying these languages that are most frequently spoken in the building, but also playing off the space more.
If I remember correctly, the architect who designed this building intended there to be a deliberate reference in this atrium to a famous monument by the Russian artist Vladimir Tatlin called the Monument to the Third International. It's interesting that that is going to be visually represented in the space which was deliberately meant to echo back to the Tower of Babel.
It's been a long road, but today's been really rewarding to kind of get a lot of good feedback. I think people are really surprised to see their space kind of completely transformed.